Hello doctor. Today I thought of talking about the maintenance contracts, what is available for ultrasound equipment in India. Please understand there is a comprehensive concept, there is a maintenance contract. That is maintenance contract only with preventive maintenance. So if you get any problem in future, if you need any spare parts, software, all those things, it will be charged extra. And you have another one called CMC, Comprehensive Maintenance Contract, where they do everything including the parts, and preferably may not be all the probes, maybe one probe or two probes. So you have to be a little careful about the kind of commitment what the franchisee or the supplier or the manufacturer is giving you on maintenance contract. Please understand, none of the equipments are manufactured in India. The parts are very, very important, whether they are using the fresh parts for repairing your equipment or the harvested parts, in the sense they buy machines and cannibalize for parts. So please understand what kind of parts they use, and based on that you take your decision. So if you want to know more about this maintenance contracts, comprehensive maintenance contract, do call me 9847069684. Thank you very much.